Old Blue. We're gonna go up here and meet Alan and Drake at the shop, and we're gonna head to Aberville to a car show at the airport. So come along, let's go. It's dark outside. Old Blue's wanting to run a little rough. She ain't been running in a while. See if we can make it. Come on, Betsy, warm up. Crowd rolling in. Registering away.
No. Well, I appreciate the
So far we at 38. Got a line to go.
Y'all have a...
All right, we're here at the car show. Who are you?
I'm Jax.
What are you doing here today?
I'm Jax. My dad is in a with a car.
What's he driving?
He's driving a WRX Subaru.
Then why'd you vote for the Mustang?
Wait.
Oh,
I thought that was
your dad drives a, and he drives a Mustang, and he drives a what? WRX?
WRX.
WRX, and you voted for a Mustang?
I voted for my dad. No, I voted
You
for my
voted for
dad.
that blue F100 over there, didn't you? Yeah.
I voted for my dad.
And so did you. Every one of these voted for my blue F100. Thanks, y'all.
I voted for my
You did too?
I voted for Dad.
You voted for Miss Kitty?
I voted for the one.
The Barbie car over yonder?
Wait, what's your number?
You voted for the Barbie car over yonder?
I voted for the Barbie car.
You voted for the Barbie
I voted
car?
for my dad.
Oh, did you? Are you sure?
The Subaru.
What's his number?
I don't know.
How do you know you voted for him then?
74.
Oh, okay. Y'all voted for that Mustang right there?
Subscribe to 256 Garage.
That's right. Check us out.
Today I'm here because my dad is in a club called Ray-Ban Trucks, and he is here to try to win.
All right. Good luck. All right. We're going to try to do a quick little walk around here. Show some of these. We've been so busy registering, we've not been able to do anything else. We've registered about 170 cars. Wish this thing could back up a little bit. It wants to zoom. Rain's gonna get everybody away. Right here's some music I'm gonna have to cut off. Dodge Road. Real good crowd out here today.
Wait, are Are you on?
You still around, buddy? I
You on
thought you done
YouTube?
left by now. I thought they done run you out of here, took you to jail.
Uh,
Didn't you see them new cop cars a while ago?
Yeah.
I thought they took you to jail.
Are you on YouTube?
We on YouTube.
You live?
No.
YouTube
It'll
video?
probably be on YouTube next week.
YouTube video?
Yep.
Okay.
So tell everybody how you voted for a Mustang and your daddy drives a Camaro.
He drives a WRX.
And you voted for a Mustang.
Yeah.
Let's walk around and look at these cars.
I have to wait for my here.
I'll catch you in a minute.
Okay.
2024 Turkey Trot winner.
Let me see it. Thank you. Appreciate you bringing that down. There you go. All right, now I'm going to do the card. And by the way, all the cards look great. Hard to choose sometimes who to give and who not to give to, but they just go out there and do the best they can. But this one's kind of cool.
You know what? I doubt it is.
Sure, I'd like one I've seen of. Alright, third place card trophy, sponsored by Liquid Molly, goes to Carl 65 Bird. And he is Peterbilt, Dread Poop theme place car. Couldn't go to a night for sure. It goes to number 30, Jerry Smith, for his 1964 Beat. Second place trophy was given by Ford. Jerry Smith. He done gone, we'll give it to somebody else. You wandering around behind the little animals out there?
Find my way.
To the camera. And the first place car is going to go to Deborah Spain for her 1958 Buick Super 88. And Miss Ed, he does for her 9. Relentless Racing, first place, her 1958 Sunburst Orange. What'd you say? Sunrise Orange. Sunset Yellow. 1958. Thank you for coming. All right, next, we're going to do the truck. All right, third place, winner of the Liquid Molly third place trophy is going to be Tommy Harris for his 56 Chevrolet truck. Tommy Harris. That is a pretty song.
Well, good thing I called you, said Dennis forgot it. Made it to him. I went in there.
There you go, sir. Come out here, sir. Take it. Thank you for bringing that up. All right, second place goes to Brian Edmonds, number 48. He got a 52 F1. He gets the Silver Ball second place. He does have that beauty truck. Appreciate you coming, Brian. One back. Let's see. First place is going to go to Brian Webster, his 1969 C10. Brian Webster. He's the winner of the Relentless Racing first place trophy. All right, let's see. Now then, I would like this big boy here. Best of show. And it is going to go. I didn't see it, but it must be a really nice car. There's some really nice cars out there. I hate to be having to pick the best one. They gave it to number 53, the 1970 Camaro, Braxton Lindsay. Braxton Lindsay. Relentless Raceworks. Take you this big old. Well, maybe we'll do something.
Best of show. Y'all be careful. No big monster burnouts this time. You can't do that every video.
I'm not
You can't do it this time. See, be careful. Show winner, one of them. No burnouts allowed. Careful. Be careful, bud. Whoop. Sorry about that. noisy, wasn't it? Mustang's tail lights. Mustang's tail lights. Be safe, sir. Car show today, gonna win the money tonight. Have a good one. Be safe, sir. See y'all. Bye-bye. All right, so we headed home. Had a real good turnout. We helped them register around 180 cars. I know they had more that didn't register. So it'd be safe to say there was at least 200 there. Had a real good turnout. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Oh, stop sign. 256 Garage out.